guys, I just wanted to let you know that this is my first video on YouTube ever, and I am very excited. My sister on the same channel has uploaded a video of her unboxing her Ava collectible figurines, and she also said she is very excited.
I definitely am. I was unboxing the Ava figurines. They have a pink packaging, and the Mia figurines have a blue packaging, but they still look equally awesome.
Let's get unboxing! So guys, this is my first box of the Mia collectible figurines. I'm so excited to open my first one. Okay. Oh yeah, and this is the collectibles guide of the, what are they called again? Sunny Buddy collectibles. And as my sister said, I am unboxing the Mia collectibles. Okay, what did I get? Oh, that's so cool. What is this one? Oh, it's the author Mia! How cute is that? Oh, I love that. Okay, I'll just pop her here. Don't fall down. No! Okay, I'll just slide her down like that. Okay guys, on to box number 2. Another collectibles guide. Which one? Ooh, it's shiny! Which one is it? It is, oh, Surf Mia! She is rare with 2 stars. There you go. Okay guys, on to box number 3. Another collector's guide. We're gonna have so many by the end of this. Which one? Oh, that's cute. Which one is this? It is the Viking Mia. She has 1 star, so she is common. Guys, box number 4 now. Yet another collector's checklist. Oh, what is this? Oh, looks funny. Baker Mia. She is common with 1 star. Cute. There you go. Hey guys, now on to box number 5. Yet another collectible checklist. Please tell me it's a good one. Another one of these. A Surf Mia. Wow. Got doubles. I'm going to put you next to her. So cute. Oh, we're on to the last box. Please tell me I get either a gold one or a silver one. Oh, please tell me. This one's pretty tricky to open. Please, please, please be lucky. Another one. Come on. Ah, I got another author Mia. Why? I didn't get a gold or silver. Oh, at least I got doubles. Hey guys, these are all the ones we got. Sadly, no gold or silver, but they're all so cute. And also a lot of checklists. So hopefully next time I get some better luck and even get a gold or a silver. Thank you for watching guys. Bye!